Hi, so today I'll be talking about CSC1024 Programming Principles Final Project, um, the Mastermind game. So, what is the Mastermind game? So, Mastermind game is basically, to put in simple terms, it's six shapes put in a list, and it has to be randomized and then put in another list. The user have to match the randomized list using their input. The shapes are randomly placed in a 4-letter list, and the player will have to get correct shapes. Okay, so what are the rules? We can see the rules here are: player should enter valid initials of the shapes provided by the list, which are square S, circle C, rectangle R, triangle T, pentagon P, and hexagon H. If a player enters wrong input, they can continue from the last answer. The computer will display correct shapes in correct places and correct shapes in wrong places. So I've provided a code for the user confirmation to play. So in the start, the computer will greet them, welcome to the mastermind game, and then it will ask whether would you like to play the game. So it's either yes or no, Y or N. So after pressing Y, they will have to go through certain instructions of the game, the rules and instructions of the game, which is the how to play section. And after going through that, they will enter the game itself. As you can see here, this is the user's confirmation, this is the output, and there will be certain instructions displayed, so you have to read that before you continue the game. So here's how the code works. So in define list generator, I've used list random choice, so that the computer randomly generates the code, randomly generates the shapes given in the shape list into a four-letter list, and after that we'll have a subprogram to display the score, so that it shows correct shapes in correct places and correct shapes in wrong places. So here's the code of how the scores are calculated. There are two loops, the while loop to calculate the scores 1 and 2, and there's another loop. The loop breaks if conditions are fulfilled. Here it will show whether the correct shapes are in correct order, or whether the correct shapes are in wrong order. So this is the code to enable users to retry the code, and then following is the output, so you can choose whether to exit the code or try again. Hi, so this is how the code works. Starting here is the first three lists. This is the shape list. These are the first initial 6 shapes, and then random list. It randomizes the shapes, and input list for the user's input. That is the method to accept options from the user whether to play or not. Right after that, two subprograms. First subprogram is for the list generator to randomize the shapes, and the second one is to show the results. Starting of the game, this is the logic of the game, and it displays the error if there's any incorrect output, and there's a loop to calculate the scores, and the loop breaks if conditions are fulfilled. Method to retry the game. So let's have a look. I'll be putting incorrect input now. Sorry, incorrect shapes. T, P, C. See, correct shapes in correct place 1, correct shapes in wrong place 2. Now I put incorrect, a number, wrong double letter, wrong, enter nothing, wrong, it is incorrect input. So I'll do the correct one now. C C T P. Congratulations, you took 2 guesses. Then you're a mastermind. So thank you.